I'm here to participate in a collab today called Around the World on a Broomstick. It is hosted by Ruth with Kentucky Fried Fun and Kiki with Kiki's DIY. Also, Pat and her channel is Style with Pat, and we are to create a Halloween wreath. Here we go. I'll be using this wreath form from Dollar Tree, and I'll also be using these garlands, and I'll use 2 of those. I'm just going to wrap this around the wreath form. No glue or anything, you just stick the end in, wrap it around, and it will stay. But before we get started, I would like to thank our hosts today, Ruth, Kiki, and Pat. I have their channels linked below. Please visit their channels. They do some great DIYs and cleaning motivation. I will also link the playlist below so you can see all of the other creators and the wreaths that they have come up with today. So I'll just let you check out what I do. I also want to mention that I have made 2 other Halloween wreaths, and I will insert pictures of those at the end. And my Halloween playlist is linked below as well if you'd like to check out how I made those. I'll be using this sign. I think I got it at Dollar Tree, but I'm not 100% sure. It was $1, and that price is on the back, so it was either Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And I'll just be attaching that. I'm going to use some hot glue on the back of that string. I'm going to take it off and hot glue it to the back and then tie it on. I've used some of these little pom-poms to cover up the holes where I took the string out of the sign, and then I just added a couple more. And now I'm going to make a bow for it, and I will display it for you. Okay, here it is, guys. I think this turned out super cute, and it was very easy and simple to make this one. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end. I'll insert pictures of the other 2 I have done, and you can see the DIYs for those in my Halloween playlist. I would like to thank Ruth, Kiki, and Pat for hosting this collaboration today. Please remember to check out their channels as well as the playlist below. I would like to thank my subscribers for your continued support, and if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. It's free to join. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again, guys, for watching today, and I will see you in my next video.